All right, everybody. So I am back in the kitchen, and in my bowl, I have 4 bananas. Now, we're going to make pancakes, okay? And we're only going to use 2 ingredients, which is pancake and egg. How simple is that? So we're going to get all this mashed up. So I have my son helping me. He's recording. And in here, I have 8 eggs. I know that seems like a lot. It's because I have a family of 4. If you have only 2 of you or 1 of you, just half this. So you're just going to use, you can use 1 banana to 2 eggs. Okay, it just depends on how many people you have in your family. And if you have it in your house, you can add cinnamon to this. But I'm just going to show you just with the 2 ingredients. Well, it's going to be a little more than 2 ingredients, but you're going to use butter or oil to cook these in. There's still some little clumps in there. I think that's okay. Let's get this heated up. Come on. There we go. Alright, it's alright that it's like that. We're going to move over here. Get away, fly. Oh my god. I don't know about y'all, but have the flies been bad in your area? Because they have been horrible here. I'm just going to add some butter to my pan. And guys, I'm saving my banana peels. You can show them the banana peels. Don't throw those away. You can soak them and put them in a jar with water and leave for 4 to 5 days, and they make really good food for your plants. So I'm going to measure 1/4 of a cup. We're going to heat those up, and in a little bit, we will have pancakes. And in order to see what they look like, you're going to have to watch my other video. Bye, guys.